sapatos.
All right, tell us about your student, the one who talked about whales and space shuttle. Yeah, everything about
The one
her.
who asked about the root of ano?
The
Of
same,
whales?
oo, the same student. Di ba ang space shuttle is kanang na-invent nila, kanang gusto nila kanang dili
your
na
light.
once ang gamit. Maski after nila magamit yung space shuttle. ang space shuttle,
Flashlight.
di ba
Oh my God.
parang may klase lang good. Dili kay,
Parang ano lang, yung mga students, parang ano lang.
ang space shuttle,
Yeah, there.
Okay, so Miss Jenny.
Testimony. Sige lang, miss.
ang space shuttle is tulong na sila ka parts ang space shuttle.
Oh my God, that is so interesting.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is so interesting.
Ang duha ka rocket booster ang external
separate.
tank o katong spaceship. Di ba mag-separate na siya after lift-off? Kaya ang tawag sa launching, lift-off na siya. Kaya ang questions sa akong student, ang questions sa akong student, after, di ba, after ang katong spaceship lang ang mag-stay sa taas, asa nung tumong at ang mga rocket malikot masyado, ma'am. External tank.
Whoa. So you know now the answer, Teacher Jenny? Oh my God.
Answer na magbalik sila sa ocean. Ang problema, paano nyo sila mag-exact na makabalik sa ocean?
Oh my God.
Yes.
So what's the answer?
Answer, ano?
I don't even know that.
Ha?
May sariling navigator.
They are riding on a different...
Wala na yung tao. Ang rocket booster, external tank, external tank, na oxygen.
Autopilot. Autopilot. Autopilot.
Pag-search na ako, ganito rin ako search. Naano sila yung own na parachute.
Okay. What? Which one?
Ang rocket booster o mga external tank. Una, pwede siya magamit next.
Oo. Para at the
Sa
safe
next
lang.
flight.
Safe lang ang landing nila.
So let there be light.
Parang microphone lang yun, no?
Recording.
Buang ko, madam. Maka-answer ka gana.
Would you like to invite everyone to watch for your
Yes.
video and in your friend and to subscribe
To enroll at Talkmania,
I
please.
will sue you. This is an ambush.
No, say something about Talkmania. Okay, tell us about your experience as a Talkmaniac. Please.
How was it dealing with, very curious students?
Malagasan tayo ng isang
Why?
The end. Say bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Miss Jenny.